Good afternoon to all of you. Reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I remember my experience when I met a certain student in the elevator. And he smiled at me and said, "Father, graduate na po ako." And I told him, "Sigurado ka?" And he showed to me his diploma. "This is the proof, Father, that I already graduated." And sabi ko sa kanya, "Sigurado ka ba talaga? Nag-graduate ka na? Baka kinuha mo lang yan sa recto." Hindi, Father, this is the proof of all my labors and efforts that I succeeded and finished my education in college. Sabi ko sa kanya, "Congratulations, and I pray that you will do your best to be able to be a good citizen and a good Christian." My dear brothers and sisters, in a world where qualifications are looked up to and required, we have evolved into a culture where testimonies are written down and framed to answer those who question us. We show educational degrees affixed at the end of our names to testify to how much we know. And we flaunt flashly some of our possessions to show how much money we have. We have to be near to famous people and have an autograph or a photograph or selfie with them as a proof of that. We give out roses and chocolates to prove our love and devotion. We hear in our gospel for today, the Lord was confronted by people who disbelieve in Him and even wanted to trap Him by asking questions. And our Lord take the opportunity na ibalik sa kanila by asking and using the position and mission of Saint John the Baptist, whether his baptism is from heaven or from human origin. And we know how witty, intelligent, and cunning our Lord. But Jesus wanted to point out to them a very important lesson, that there are certain things whose proof of existence cannot be flaunted or cannot be flaunted except in silence. Love, for one, must be shown day in and day out. Commitment is another one that must encompass every thought and action. Faith or religiosity cannot be done to attract applause, like what the Pharisees were doing. Good works are another. To show them off will invite suspicion to their authenticity. My dear brothers and sisters, when we come to think about it, the proof of one's worth is really who one is. That is what God looks for. Our life full of testimonies of God's character and that is committed, loving, and deep faith in God.